Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. Hope all is well. So today we're gonna be reviewing Juvia's Place Nubian Earth lipstick and her lip gloss. So I only picked up 3 of their lipsticks and 3 lip gloss, okay? Before I start this video, thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, girl. If you are new here, also subscribe to the channel and also like the video. It really helps so YouTube could push out the video. So thank you guys so much. So Juvia's Place Hydrating Velvety Matte Lipstick provides a highly pigmented, creamy and smooth long wear, a soft matte formula infused with hyaluronic acid. So the lipsticks are $15 and the lip gloss is $14. Maybe I should have taken them out of the packaging first. Juvia's Place packaging is the bomb, and girl, look at this. Look at the packaging. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. So let me just open all of them so it will be quicker. Hopefully one day I will be a sponsor for Juvia's Place. Who knows? You never know, girl. You just got to put it in the universe that someday she will see this video. So I'm going to swatch Sheeba. Oh, this color is beautiful. And look how it looks. Oh, Sheeba is shivering, girl. She is beautiful. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Ooh. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Let me just put that right there. Oh, and it's so soft. Beautiful. Okay, let me see. Nile is a warm golden brown shade. This is it. Oh, wow. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And you could just, actually, you could mix it up. You know, you can use one of those shimmer shades on top of it. And the last one, ooh, it looks like a more pink undertone to me. So it don't really look brown to me. It looks more like a mauve undertone. That's what it looks like to me, but oh. Okay, so the first one I'm going to try out, I think I'm going to go from light to dark. So I'm going to try out Nile first, which is this one right here. So we're going to try it out on its own first, and then we'll see how it looks with a pencil. I think I'm going to like wear this with a pencil because I don't know if this is going to look too good on me. This look more like a taupe color. This is very pretty. See, oh, this is very soft. I thought it would have been like too matte, but this is perfect. I would not wear this on its own. I feel like I look crazy. I don't even know if I have a deep pencil. Let me see if this is a dark pencil from her brand. I don't even remember. I think Cola is more brown color. I don't even know if I have another color. I think Cola is more of a brown shade. So let's just see if I line it up with Cola, how you gonna look. You could just wear it on its own, but if you just like want a little color on the side, you know, just like to mix up the color a little bit. I think it look a little bit more better with a pencil. What you guys think? I like it without the pencil and with the pencil. And honestly, I didn't put too much because I still want you guys to see the color. And I do like this. It's more of a taupe shade to me. I don't feel like this is brown. So this is pretty good. I love it. It looks really nice. Very nice color. Let me know what you guys think about this shade. Really, really pretty. So this one here is Morocco. So this is Morocco, this is Sheeba, and this is Nile. Got it. Okay. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, this don't look that bad. I thought it would have been more on the pink side. Okay, she's pretty. Oh, this is so soft. I don't need a pencil for this one. And I like to overline my lips a little bit on the top. Ah, this. What do you guys think about this color? I love this color. If you want to wear a pencil, you could do that, but I really like the way it looks on its own. So I'm not gonna use a pencil. I don't even think I have a pencil to match with this. I like it. It's very soft. Girl, this is soft. Let me know what you guys think about Morocco. So this is the darker one. Let's see. Ooh. Yes. Okay, so this is the last one, and hopefully I get the lining correctly because you know that I can't really see properly. This is my favorite color. It look good with this makeup, just like simple. If you want to get anything from this collection, just get this one. I am so happy I got the shade. This is the bomb. Let me know which one is your favorite. This one is my favorite, Sheeba, okay? So the two of my favorite is Morocco and Sheeba. These are my two favorites. Love them. So let's just go with the lip gloss, okay? So let's just jump right into it. So this one is Meroe. I think I'm saying it right, Meroe. This is it here. I'm just gonna swatch them. I'm hoping I'm saying this correctly. Meroe. Okay, anyway. Ooh, it's a beautiful shade. All right, so let's put that one right here. It's a lot. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, smells good. And this one here, this is Nubian Nude. I would need a pencil for that one, so I'll use a pencil for this one here. Ooh, all right, let's put that one right here. Oh, this is really, really pretty. It's more of like a gray undertone. Yeah, it looks more of a gray undertone. And the last one, I think this one is this like is a shimmer shade Mirage. Let's go here. So this one is a shimmer shade one. This is so pretty. I'm gonna go from light to dark as always. So I think I'm gonna try out the shimmer shade first because you know, just see how it looks on its own. All right, so let's just go in with the shimmer one first. You know, I do like shimmer colors, but I don't like it like too shimmery. Or you could just use this on top of a lipstick. It will look really good. And honestly, you don't need a lot of this lip gloss. You see, I put too much. You don't need all of that, but I'm gonna fix it. You know, just to smooth out everything. So this is a shimmer shade, very pretty. I probably would like, you know, to get more color, I will use a pencil just to see how it looks, and I'm gonna do that in a few so we can see if I use a brown pencil how it looks. You know, we're just trying out stuff to see how we're gonna wear it, not just on its own, but if you want to put a pencil. This is just, you know, a review, girl. It feels very comfortable on the lips, okay? Really pretty. So you can wear it on its own, just don't put too much of it because it's gonna be too shimmery. So I want to see how it looks with a pencil, so we're gonna go in with cola as well. Because I think that for some of us, this would look a little bit ashy on our lips, and darken it up a little bit. You know, you're good to go. Okay, I think it looks really good with a pencil as well. If I want to darken it up, I will use a dark pencil. So this is what it looks like with the pencil. So let me know what you guys think, which one you prefer. Do you like it with a pencil or without the pencil? Less is better for me. I don't like it to be too shiny or too sticky. That is just my preference, and I think it looks really good like this, just a little bit more natural. I just like natural things, okay? So this looks pretty good. I like the shade. I thought it would have been too shimmery, but no, girl, just, you know, it looks good. This one here, this is Nubian Nude. I probably will need a pencil for this just by looking at it. Probably or probably not. Let's see. I don't think so. This looks pretty good. And the applicator, I forgot to even show you guys the applicator. I'm gonna show you guys it just now. Ah, this is perfect. I don't even know if I'm gonna darken it. It just looks so pretty on its own. I don't know, this look a little bit more gray to me. This is an applicator. I forgot to even show you guys what the applicator looks like. Okay, so this is it. It looks like it's have a little brown in it, but on the lips, it looks more gray. So if I have to wear this on its own, this is what it's gonna look like. And if you want to put a pencil on top of it, you can, but I actually like it on its own. Yeah, not too much, you know, it still look pretty. Girl, this thing smells so good. Very, very comfortable. See, it's not sticky. Girl, Juvia's. Girl, you did it, girl. I like these. I'm not returning them. Okay, so we have one more of this lip gloss that we had to try out, and this is Meroe. All right, girl, this is darkest shade, girl. Don't disappoint me, girl, because I'm rooting for you. So let's just see. Mm, 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 mm. Very pretty. And the applicator is so smooth. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. And you see, I didn't have to go in and deeper and put back more. It's just, yeah, this is perfect. And it goes so well with this look. Very natural. Okay, and I really don't need a pencil for this. So these are all the lipstick and lip glosses that I picked up to share with you guys. I love all of them. And this is why I will always rock with Juvia's Place, because she just makes stuff that goes with our skin tone, okay? If I have to choose, if you just want to pick up maybe one from the lipstick brand, go with Sheeba. If you just want all of them, why not pick up all of them? But that is the one I would like, you know, suggest if you want to pick up all the lipstick. When it comes to the lip gloss, I don't have a favorite. I love all of them. Just pick up all of them. Pick up all the lip gloss. There's no favorite when it comes to lip gloss for me. I love lip gloss. They are just my favorite things in the summertime. It's just like to throw in my bag. And this color, girl, this color is so pretty. Okay, pick up whatever you want to pick up, but for me, if you guys want my personal opinion, pick up all of them. I cannot. Feel so comfortable. They smell so good. Smell like chocolate. They smell like candy. They smells really good. Okay, I hate a sticky lip gloss. Okay, and this is perfect. Actually gonna put one in my car, girl. I'm just gonna put one in my car just in case I forget my lip gloss at home. I'm really excited to see what else Juvia's Place comes out pertaining to lipstick. This is just my thing. Lipstick and foundations are my thing. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this Nubian collection. If you guys gonna pick up anything, let me know in the comments below which one you're gonna pick up. Also, the lip gloss, which one is your favorite as well? Okay, girl, let me know. So if this is your first time here, hey girl, my name is Sheenan. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. And before you leave, hit that notification bell and also subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate you guys. To my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. Really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.